is picture of Grandma's family. We're visiting with Grandma Helen today. Okay, so tell me who they are, Graham.
Earl, and Dorothy, and Margaretta, and Helen, and Ed, and Zella, and Myrtle, and Lucy, and Mother, and Ralph, and Dad, and oh gee,
almost got them all.
Oh, wait a minute. I know what her name is, but I have. Gosh, she was
Well, that's a lot.
right next
Did you
to
get
me.
Dorothy?
Huh?
Dorothy? Did you
No,
say her?
no, Gladys.
Gladys.
Uh-huh.
That's 10 brothers and sisters, huh?
Yep.
That is a big
That's
family.
only 3 brothers and 7 sisters.
Wow. That must have been a good time, huh?
Oh, it was excellent. It was an excellent life. And these were Mother and this one and this one and this one and this one were all school teachers. This one, this one, this one. We're all school teachers. Yeah. And